Happy New Year, family. I hope you're all well and keeping safe. I have recorded this amazing video for you and I know you will love it. Even though we are not socializing that much in most parts of the world, I believe life still goes on. And also this pandemic shall surely be over. If you believe this, let me hear your amen. Right. So I have already gelled down my hair and I'm going to use these Mali braids, it's old ones, and the donut band or the hair band for this tutorial. Okay, so if you have a big day coming up or you just want to spice up your hair game and you don't know what to do, watch this video to the end, and also be kind to share with friends and family. Who knows, it can be a big lesson to them. And I'm going to leave you to enjoy the video. If I need to come in at any point to explain things for you, I will do so. Enjoy. Alright guys, so at this stage you need a large hair tie or band to keep the extensions in place, but I couldn't find any. So I did cut into thin pieces some old ties I had around to make my own hair band or tie. One more thing guys, this is synthetic hair extensions, don't forget that. You would need a bit more patience and loving to work with this hair. It tangles, it does all the things that would annoy you, but you need to kind of have that little patience to manage this hair. But I'm sure you will love the end results. Alright, I made this piece a while ago using hairband and extensions. If you want a tutorial on this, please be sure to leave me a comment in the comment section below and I will film it. It is so easy, you just have to pop it on and that's it. You're good to go. This is so suitable for everyday use and also for special occasion. If you don't have too much time to spend on your hair, this is such a great addition to your hair collection. Let me know, as I said, and I will film a tutorial for you on how I made this piece. After popping it on, I did pin it down with bobby pins for extra security. This is so easy and convenient, guys. It is stress-free. If you're a warrior and you're worried about how you're going to look on your big day, this is so much easy and handy if you have it in place. Let me know what you think. This is the fourth and final hairstyle I'm going to show you in this video. It's also quite easy. You just have to twist the hair, make intentional knots. It's messy, but it all comes together once you're done. Watch and enjoy. If you made it this far, thank you so much for watching. I enjoyed filming this video for you and I hope you enjoyed watching as well. If you did, please don't forget to comment in the comment section below, and also like to make YouTube aware that you like this video. Also, please share to friends and loved ones. I will see you in my next video. Take care of yourself and be good. Bye.